welcome to my channel Inspired Birdie for another Dollar Tree haul today. Didn't get too many items, as you can see. You can pretty much see everything that I did get, but I will quickly walk you through each of the items and share with you what I got today. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to start off with some just very general household type items. So starting with these Scrub Buddies, I've purchased these before, and I love using these on my Swifter just to pick up dog hair around the house, or cat hair if you have a cat, or anything else. They're just really great at grabbing hair and just really quickly picking up a job if you don't want to have to grab your broom or your vacuum. So they work pretty good. You do get, as you can see, 15 in here, dry floor cloths, and you do need to have the Swifter in order to use these. All right, so the next purchase are these paintbrushes. So I have also used these before for painting, and they do work pretty good. So these are from their hardware section. Tool Bench is the brand. And yeah, I find that they do work pretty well. So I picked up 3 different sizes because I will be starting a painting project in my home. Nothing too fun or fancy, just repainting some doors. But you can see how nice quality those bristles are. And I always look and pull on them to see if they're really cheaply made and if they're going to easily fall out. And I don't find that these ones do. So moving on to some storage, this is definitely a repurchase. If you do watch my haul videos, you would have seen me purchase this before. So these are just so fantastic that you can get these at the Dollar Tree for that price. And this is the extra long one. They do have one that is smaller than this one. And then it has the little rubber grippers on the bottom if you haven't seen these before, and the rubber grip on the inside. I purchased this one just for my bedside table. I just needed something for some extra storage. And then I also picked up these little containers. So these were in their back to school section actually, and they had several different colors. So they had green, they had blue, and as you can see, they're just 3-tier storages. But I thought these would be fantastic for organizing some arts and crafts. So things like crayons or even chalk, especially in the summertime, paints, that kind of stuff for arts and crafts for children. And then of course, I mean, anybody can use these if you don't have kids, even just to organize your office or something like that. All right, moving on to the nails. Like I said, if you watch my videos, then you know I'm a huge fan of the Dollar Tree nails. And I always say, as long as you buy the actual like professional glue, these will last. So I never use the glue that comes with these packages. I always go and buy the professional glue. But these are the nails that I picked up this week. These are all repurchases. I have worn all of these. So just show you really quickly. Lots of sparkle for the summertime. All right, moving on to arts and crafts. So I picked up a bunch of just different items, just for things that I can do with my kid. So I liked this, the Disney Princess, over 150 stickers. And yeah, it's the Disney Princesses. So I just thought that would be a lot of fun. Like, what great quality for $1. And for 150, right? So I go to the Dollarama as well, and you can't even get stickers this fantastic like you can at the Dollar Tree. Look at this one. So this is by Jot, and these are the bubble stickers. Sorry for the glare, guys. So much fun. And then I picked up some glue. I was looking for fabric glue, and this does say it's machine washable. And when I was reading the back of it, it did say that you can use it with material. So we'll have to see how well it works, because I do have a DIY that I'm going to be working on. And then this is just a wooden sign. There's really nothing else special about it. I simply got it just as a fun craft project for my kid to be able to paint. And then I picked up this Frozen Bubble Fun set, and this was just a great find because I was actually researching this, not this exact item, but an item very similar where you have the bowl and it comes with the bubbles, and then you have a really big bubble one. So I was researching these on Amazon, and I couldn't find what I was looking for, and then I just happened to find this at the Dollar Tree, so that was awesome. They did have other ones too. They had cars, and they had the Disney princesses as well. So lots of fun for the summer. And then I was super excited about this. So I don't know how long they've been doing this, but Dollar Tree now offers craft fabric. And they had some other patterns too. They had some like checkered pattern and polka dots, other polka dots. But I picked up this one. So this is the cupcakes. And then you can see the polka dot. And then this one is the unicorns. And yeah, I'm going to be doing a DIY for my kid very soon, and I will share that with you on my channel when I'm done that. I don't know how big these are. I know it says on it, but until I open it, I'm very visual, so I'll have to see when I do open it how big they are. So that was really exciting, and that was in the craft section. And lastly, they are starting to put out their fall stuff, of course. They always do that in the summertime. And I grabbed some of these because these always go so fast at my Dollar Trees. So these are the cotton, really great for DIYs. And I picked up 2 of them, as you can see. And like I said, it was just because I know they're going to go super fast and then I won't be able to find them. So now that the stuff is out, I'm going to start grabbing my fall stuff for fall DIYs that I'm going to be probably putting up on my channel sometime in September. So stay tuned for those. And other than that, guys, I always usually end my video with what treat did I get from the Dollar Tree, and I picked up Kit Kat. I always talk about looking for the extra large packages because that is the best deal. These at Walmart are at least $2, if not more. So this was the chocolate treat that I got this time. And yeah, that's it, guys. So those are all of my items. I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick Dollar Tree haul. And stay tuned. I'll definitely be having other hauls coming to you soon. And I will be having some DIYs coming very soon to you as well. All right, so thank you so much for watching, everybody. Have yourself a lovely weekend and a great week. And love and peace to you all. Bye.